Hey my beautiful souls, welcome back to Finding with Jessie, the life coach. So today I am here to bring you a quick reminder about not dimming your light, focusing on your goals, getting those organization projects going, and to start smashing stuff out the park. So let's get started. So guys, I just got off a consultation with a potential client that was just so depleted and she just felt so lost. And one of the reasons why is because she was dimming her light, feeling like she can't accomplish things. She had all these goals, all these things she wanted to do, but for some reason something was holding her back, right? And I feel like a lot of people are going through that, and I just wanted to come here and remind you guys, if any of you are feeling that way, to start getting moving. One of the reasons why we feel stagnant in life is because we hold our own selves back. And sometimes it's other people dimming our light. So I want to remind you not to allow any other person to dim your light. Shine bright like the diamond that you are. Go out there and smash and accomplish your goals. You're the only one who can move yourself forward. You're the only one who can accomplish things. You're the only one who can smash those ideas, get those creative projects, get yourself organized, get yourself in alignment. You're the only one that could do that for you. So start doing it. If you've been contemplating on something that you've been wanting to do, organizing that fridge, organizing that freezer, organizing your car, organizing your home, getting that garage project cleaned out, getting your room in alignment, whatever it may be, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? A lot of times I hear that a lot of people don't have the resources or they don't have the funds to buy certain things that they want to organize their project. Well, I'm here to tell you there's always another way. We focus on solutions, not problems. So if that is you and you're looking to get some organization projects, get it started. Well, let's get it started. Get it moving. Think, get creative. You are a resourceful, beautiful human being who can think of creative ways of getting the same project accomplished for less in a different way. So start getting your research on, start getting moving, and start figuring out a plan. For those who've been trying to accomplish your goals and feel like you're not moving and you're just spinning your wheels and nothing is changing, it is going to change. Just be a little bit patient. The energy that we have been in lately is very karmic, which means it's been a lot of lessons, a lot of pulling through, and a lot of people feel like I cannot do this any longer. I hear ya, I hear ya, I hear ya. But hold on, because pretty soon that energy is going to be changing. A lot of restrictions are going to be lifted. A lot of burdens are going to be coming off, and things are going to start moving a little faster, and things are going to start getting a little easier. The hardest part when you're trying to make a breakthrough is to keep that vision and to trust in the plan and to trust in the unknown. It's the hardest thing, but I have faith in you and I know that you can do it. So don't feel defeated. Don't get defeated, right? Sometimes you need to break away from certain projects and things you're working on to get that break, to bring back that playful energy, right? So go do something that's fun. The weekend is coming up. Go do something that's fun. Just take a break, take your mind off of it, right? A lot of times when we have a problem and we're so focused on the problem, the solution's right under our nose. But since we are so focused, our mental capacity is drained and we're trying to figure out the same problem over and over and over. But if you two pull away, go have some fun, break up that energy, take your concentration off it, when you come back, you tend to see things in a different light and you tend to find solutions to something you couldn't find before. Do not give up. Your patience, your resilience, your energy is going to pay off, okay? It will balance out. So just keep the faith. For those who have been feeling unmotivated, I know how hard that can be when you feel like you have a lack of inspiration, a lack of motivation. You don't even know where to begin. You don't even know where to start. You feel overwhelmed. So for those people, I have some guidance for you, okay? Take a project that you've been working on that you have not completed, no matter how big, how small, and start getting moving. Get those wheels moving. Now is the time to tackle it. So actually, here's a challenge for everyone. If you have small little projects around the house that you have not done or you've been meaning to tackle, or you're like, I'm gonna get this done, or I'm gonna do this organizing project, or I'm gonna set some goals, or I'm gonna do some time management, or I need to tackle this and tackle that, and you have not done it, here's a challenge for you. Get it completed by the end of August. There's a few days left in August. Start September out with a nice, fresh view and energy of feeling like you accomplished something. This is the way to get that motivation and inspiration up, especially if you've been feeling, defeated and tired and just like, oh my God, when is things going to change? They are going to change. I promise you, they are going to change. Nothing ever stays the same. So a good rule of thumb is to start with something small that you can tackle and then go on to the next one and go on to the next one. That momentum, that feeling like I can do this, it's going to come back to you once you start seeing little results of things you need to accomplish. And you're going to start feeling really invigorated, like I can do this. I can do this last, leg on this run. The last 4 months is going to feel like I got this. So get your tolerance up, change your mindset, get out of that lack mentality. When we have a lack mentality, all we do is manifest more lack. When you only see lack in your perception, guess what? That's all you're going to see. So you need to change it, change your view, change what you are seeing. But how do you change what you're seeing? You change your mind first. So guys, change what you're saying to yourself, okay? You are resourceful, you are creative, you are curious. So use those energies to push you forward, okay? And if you have been one of those people that you just feel so drained emotionally and feel like I can't even get out of the bed sometimes, guess what? That's going to be your focus. Do it little by little by little. If today you can't get out of the bed, take time to relax. Give yourself that day. If you need to give yourself another day, give yourself another day. Respect your body, respect what it's saying, right? But don't stay there. Do not dim your light. You are too special for that. You are too spectacular for that. You have so much to share and give to the world, right? So you need to focus on getting your emotions grounded. And I'm going to be sharing some videos on how to do that in the upcoming weeks. So guys, remember, you are the only one who can bring your dream into existence. You're the only one who can move and propel yourself forward to whatever you've been delaying, procrastinating on, feeling stagnant on, feeling unmotivated, feeling, you're not inspired. Let's start changing that, okay? Remember, the challenge is to take a goal, take a project, take something that you've been wanting to do or that you have left undone and get it moving. Get it moving. We have a couple of days left in August. That is your challenge. If you want to share, you feel comfortable in sharing where you're at this point and some goals that you are going to tackle for the end of August, put it in the comments. I would love to hear about it. Right now, I'm actually going to be tackling my garage. My garage got a little bit messy this summer. I've been buying extra food and stacking up, and now I need to go and arrange that. And I've been delaying it because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. But you know what? My goal is to tackle that by the end of August. Tomorrow, over the weekend, I'll be spending my time a couple of hours away in a water park. Why? Because I'm going to go refresh myself. I'm going to go enjoy myself. I'm going to be playful. I am going to feel like a kid again. And then after that, I'm going to come back and get to work. And that's the way you do it. So guys, stop dimming your light. You have a lot to share. Don't let anyone ever dim your light, especially you. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.